Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest in home appliances and gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Dreo Air Purifier Tower Fan MC710S, a unique combination of air purifier and fan. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Dreo MC710S is designed to be a powerhouse in your home, combining the functionality of a tower fan with an air purifier, promising cleaner air and better circulation. Standing at 46.5 inches tall, it's certainly a presence in any room. Starting with its design, the MC710S resembles a sleek rocket ship, with a silver and black finish that adds a modern touch to your decor. It's well built and sturdy, although at 18 pounds, it's quite heavy and could benefit from wheels for easier mobility. Now, let's talk performance. The MC710S features a dual motor system, one for pulling in air through its filters and another for oscillating the unit up to 60 degrees. This dual functionality is meant to distribute clean air efficiently throughout your space. In terms of air purification, the MC710S uses a HEPA filter to capture particles as small as 0.3 microns, which includes dust, pollen, and smoke. However, it lacks an activated charcoal filter, which means it doesn't effectively remove odors from the air. Moving on to controls, the MC710S offers multiple ways to operate it. A touch-sensitive control panel on the unit itself, a remote control, and even a smartphone app. The app integration allows you to monitor air quality, adjust settings, and schedule operation times remotely. For those concerned about noise, the MC710S operates fairly quietly, registering around 55 decibels at full blast, which is quieter than many competitors. It's also energy efficient, with varying power consumption levels depending on the fan speed and mode. In conclusion, the Dreo Air Purifier Tower Fan MC710S is a solid choice if you're looking for a device that combines air purification with fan functionality. It excels in moving air and maintaining air quality but falls short in some areas like odor filtration and warranty coverage. That wraps up our review of the Dreo Air Purifier Tower Fan MC710S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on your thoughts or any questions you have about this product. Stay tuned for more reviews and comparisons on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.